All right, it's been almost a month since we have done scent work, and I am doing a practice because it's still kind of raining, so it's really wet here in Wenatchee, and that's not a typical thing for us. There's distractions. It looks like there's fresh cat poop right there and there. Thank you, neighbors. And I have set a lot of converging odors in a lot of close area, so we'll see how fast this goes. Riker is my demo dog. Seek! Riker, seek! Yep, come on, seek! Ah, have we forgotten what we're doing? Seek! So there is odor literally right above his head where the window overhangs and meets the wall. Because of his age, sometimes he struggles with doing higher heights where he's not too comfortable jumping up anymore. I can tell now that he's starting to realize that there's odor out here, and I didn't just bring him out to go get the mail or something. And this is a little bit different, like I said, because it's so wet. Good boy. Also, I want to point out, good boy, Riker, good boy, that the odor is almost an hour aged, and when I put it out, it was raining too. So this is going to be a little bit different than what they're used to. I can feel there's a breeze a little bit on my neck, so there should be some air movement. Can't find anything? Seek! I'm gonna try to be a little bit more quiet here because they're not used to me talking during the runs. Yes, good boy, good boy, good boy. Yep, okay, yep, all right, good job. Seek. All right. You got that one. Good boy. Good boy, good boy. So with it being so wet, the odor really has fallen on the ground a lot too. Okay. So think about this, if the odor is, if air molecules are leaving the hide and going out, but then the rain catches it, it's going to take that odor and drop it down on the ground. That's why he's smelling so much on the ground. There's literally one up there on the fence, but like I said, he doesn't really enjoy going up on his rear anymore to go get it. Good boy. You gonna keep looking? So if we were during a trial and I saw him sitting there smelling on the ground like this, I would actually encourage him to go up, because I know that's one of his things that... Yep, keep going. You want to go up? Come on. Yep, he's getting closer. Good boy! Is it right up here? Yes, good job! Good boy! All right. Seek. So I think this is the same thing of the water is changing things, because right there is the hide. Good boy. Good boy. All right, good job. All right. So you got this one and that crack and that one over there. Got that one there. Got that one there. There's another convergence over with this one here. And you kind of smelled it earlier. Good boy! Good job! Good boy. Nice. Okay. Is there anything else? Like I said, there's a little bit of a breeze blowing. So now that it kind of feels like it has quit raining some, maybe the odor is able to give him some good scent cone to work. Yeah, that makes complete sense. It's up there at the top of that post right up there, and the wind is kind of blowing this way. And just letting him work it out. You can tell he's getting closer. His tail's wagging more. Did you find it? Where is it? Ooh. There it is. Good boy. Was it right there? Good job. Okay, good boy. You have gotten these 3 here. That one there, that's 4. That one up over there is 5, 6, 7. You have one more to go. And you walked right by it on the start line. It was under the window, remember? Okay, seek. Yeah, you kind of remember smelling it there? So the wind is coming from this direction and hitting the house. So it's probably coming in and pushing it down some. His brain is telling him there is stuff here, but keep going. Where is it? Where is it? Can you look again? There it is! Good boy! And that's it. Good job, buddy. All right, this is Keela. Keela, come here. She hasn't ran in a trial in a month and a half or so. She is now pregnant. So this could change things considerably. She is starving to death, she says. And we'll see what she does with the cat poop. She knows that she's gonna get in trouble with it, but all right, you ready? Seek! Alert! Good girl. Okay, seek. Alert! Good girl. Okay, seek. Show me. Alert! Good girl. Good girl. Okay, seek. There's probably cat poop there. You got that one. There's nothing up there. You already got that one. Seek. Let's see. No, it doesn't look like anyone put one there. Okay, seek. She's working the wind there. Yes, good girl. All right, seek. Alert! Good girl. Good girl. Is it right there? Good job. Okay, seek. Alert! Good girl. Okay, seek. You got that one. Keep going. Seek. Alert. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. You got that one. Good girl. Good girl. You got that one. That's still the same one. Good girl. Ah, the hard crack hide. You got that one. Good girl. Is there anything else? Can you play seek? All right, let's see. Yep. Yeah, it might be pulling there. So normally when she is completely done, she just becomes glued to me, doesn't even look anymore. So this is telling me she still can smell there's something around because she's still looking. She keeps checking in with me because she's not sure exactly if there is something more. It's that one. You got that one. Good girl. You got that one. Okay, keep looking. Okay, so the wind should be going through this way. So I would think if she's going to pick up the scent cone, it would be over here and then drive kind of over into there. I'm just letting her recheck the stuff that she already found to verify that's not the same scent that she's finding. She's reconfirming that, yeah, I found that one. Yeah, I found that one. All right, you found that one. Good girl. You're missing one. Seek. All right. So I would keep forcing. I probably would have called clear on this because she has looked a lot here. But in a situation, let's say that we're in detective and she has only found 4 and I know there's one more here. You found that one. Good girl. Good girl. I mean, maybe I can just start doing stuff like this. Hey, did you check this? If I know there's one more around, did you check these? I mean, we can start guessing where things are. Key. If we're still missing one. I mean, I know where this is. And literally there is no wind right now, so she almost needs to run right over the top of it. I just saw her head bobble. Seek, seek. That's what she does when she thinks she's done. Seek. There it is. Good girl. Good girl. That was a hard one. Yes, it was. Bring Cherry down and get her started too. She also has not been out and about for a long time. So, are we ready? Are we ready? 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 Seek! Good girl. Go, go, go. Good girl. Yeah, please seek. She needs a lot more cheerleading than the others do. Alert! Good girl. So her tail is a little bit different than Keyla's because she's supposed to hold herself there. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, seek. Where Keyla will turn around and look at me, I started training her when she was 9 weeks old, and I really, oh, she might end up going potty. We'll see. Her bottom looks a little pooched. Alert! Good girl! Good girl! Seek! You got that one. Good girl. All right, keep going. The wind is working it down. We'll see. And right about there, she lost the scent cone. All right. You got that one. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Seek. Alert. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Seek. Yeah, you got that one. Good girl. Alert! Good girl! Good girl! That was fantastic! Good job! All right, good girl. Okay, keep going. Seek. There's more out here. Can you smell it? Okay, I'll walk with you. All right. We can go over there if you want to go over there. Alert! Good girl! Good girl! Good girl! Yeah! Good job! Okay, Zeke. I think in there she's picking out the one that's on the fence. I don't think this ground hide is going over towards the mailbox, because the fence one is pretty high. I think it has more likelihood to be polluting that, but I could be wrong because the wind has been blowing this way. Where is it? You gonna play Zeke? It's not there. It's not there. Those crack hides are really hard. Nope. Nope. Keep looking. She's like, wait, what? What? There's something here. Alert! Good girl! Good job! Good girl. Oh, all right. Keep going. Can you get this crack hide? This one's Okay, so she got those 3 over there. And she just has this one left, and she walked by the start line one. There was nothing there. I'm not calling that. Come on, keep looking. You're a good girl. Yes, you're a good girl. Can you find the crack-eyed one? Your sister had a hard time with this. Nope. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. So this is something that I've been struggling with her is, where is it? Oh, wait. I think we already got that one. So I'm not sure why I'm pushing her into it. But what I've been struggling with her is she does on fringe, she'll alert on fringe. So I'm needing to encourage her to get even closer to the odor. So my struggle has been she needs lots of encouragement. Good girl, good girl. Come on, you got it, keep going. So how I would know during a trial that there was nothing there on her was her tail was wagging. She really takes her pointing job seriously. And when she's on odor, she normally will quit wagging her tail like she does when she's on a bird. She'll point it. You got that one, good girl. Can you get the last one? It's on the crack hide. Okay, seek. Seek, can you find it? There we go. See her tail? Alert! Good girl! Good girl! Gosh, I'm pretty sure. So she did not get the fence one, or did she get the fence one? I'm forgetting. I have an extra one, so I'm thinking she did not get the fence one. Okay, good girl. Come on. Can you get the fence? Seek. Yeah? How about we'll go downwind? Yeah? Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Keep going. Go up. Alert. Good girl. That was so pretty of you. Good job. Good job. All right. I know. We'll stop.